I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to. Aido!
Who are you, beautiful woman?
Yuri!
Yuki! And we lost Aido. But she's here, I swear. We're jamming at Aido's house for her BBQ. I don't know, we seriously lost her. I arrived. I feel the fire. Oh, I lied. Yes.
To be that army off the middle, Maddie.
I feel like that's your shoe.
Sorry.
Doris having fun. The whole store. Here, I always need fun. Is you recording now? Oh, yeah. My hand was right there, my bad.
Yeah.
Yuki's drinking. Illegal. What is in that?
It's Pepsi!
So. I found Aido over yonder at the door. This little kid right here, that's Maddie. Aido's little brother.
If Aido had a little brother.
Aido's is just cute. Especially as a little kid.
Aido!
And he gets mad at Rookie. He's like, shut up! You're so dumb.
Aido and Ruko with short hair!
Oh, hey, I can do that now.
We should all dress up as the
Oh, Aido's under attack. I must have escaped. Or was. Dang it.
We should dress up as the little kids this weekend. Like me? Yeah, like you. We'll walk around on our knees and everything.
So you both can.
What?
This is Josh, the kid with the football, running away. I don't know what yours is doing. He's just like,
My hat off the hood of my car.
that's Kyle over there who just caught the ball.
Yeah, these are all people that are usually not on our channel, but
But yeah, they're just kind of randomly here today. See that person over yonder? Yeah, that's Kyle. He's Macho Man.
not as much as Mickey, man.
I know, but
Mickey's Macho Man.
Kyle thinks he's Macho.
Mickey's my monkey man. I don't know.
Macho Monkey Man. You're always having too much fun.
You just seen a huge log he carried last week?
He carried a log? Where did I... Oh, I don't... Never mind. Yuki's crocheting.
Yuki crochets a lot.
Show us what you got, Yuki.
Bam!
Woot! That's amazing. It's covering his face.
Yeah.
This has got all sorts of candy stuff in there, too.
Yeah. Candy. Check out this awesome candy. Candy!
Woo, woo. Very nice.
And then Yuri's candy.
What's even cooler? Very nice.
Yo, yummy.